Welcome to our interior design tutorial on how to decorate side tables in your bedroom. Today, we'll explore creative ways to enhance the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your side table using various components. Let's start with the foundation of the side table, the frame. This provides structural support and determines the overall shape and style. You can choose from different materials and designs to match your bedroom decor. Next, let's consider the tabletop. This is where you can showcase decorative items such as lamps, photo frames, or books. Keep in mind the size and shape of your tabletop when selecting accessories. Now, let's talk about the legs. These not only support the table but also contribute to its visual appeal. Consider the height and style of the legs to complement the overall design scheme of your bedroom. Adding a shelf beneath the tabletop provides additional storage or display space. Use it to organize books, candles, or decorative boxes. Ensure it's securely attached using brackets and screws for stability. For extra storage, incorporate a drawer into your side table design. Choose a handle or knob that matches the overall aesthetic of your bedroom. This small detail can make a big difference in the overall look and feel. If you prefer flexibility, consider adding casters or wheels to your side table. This allows for easy mobility, making it convenient to rearrange your bedroom layout whenever needed. Don't forget about the decorative elements. Adding trim or a back panel can elevate the look of your side table and tie it in with the rest of your bedroom decor. Lastly, consider the functionality of hinges and latches if your side table has doors. Make sure they're properly installed to ensure smooth opening and closing. By incorporating these components and design tips, you can transform your side table into a stylish and functional addition to your bedroom. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Happy decorating! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.